Hello, this is Daphnee Lagredelle, business coach, and today we're going to talk about promoting. And thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Don't forget, if you would like to know more about business, click on this link so you can watch more of the videos previous video that we have. Well, today we're going to talk about promoting, promote. As a coach, I've met so many entrepreneurs. They have beautiful website. They look well put together, but their business is struggling because they are not promoting. And one thing that I've seen a lot is because people are paying people on social media, but they're not measuring that type of advertisement or promotion. So today we're going to discuss promoting your business. Promoting your business is part of a marketing, and you want to be able to sell your product, sell your book, sell your digital product, whatever it is, you need to do so. You are the face of your business. So you must be out there promoting your business, promoting your product. Whether it's service or physical products, you are responsible to promote your business. Now, one thing I'm going to tell you, the fact that we have social media, it makes it easier to promote our stuff, right? You must have a marketing strategy when it comes to either promotion or advertising your business. Remember, you are a brand, okay? So if you are the brand, you need to make sure that you are promoting yourself on a daily basis. I don't want to hear you telling me that you are shy, you can do so. Let me say this to you. Being shy not going to pay the bills, no, it's going to bring client to you. So you need to put this aside and start focusing on promoting your stuff, promoting your book, talk about it, go to different networking events, go to conferences. Whether if you are getting a coaching service from someone or be part of a mentorship or group coaching, it is every time you go somewhere, they ask questions, they ask you to talk about your business, you should do so. The more people who know about you, the more product you will sell if you really have the strategy on how to do so. Now, let's just talk a little bit about people don't understand advertising, PR, promotion. All of those stuff is part of marketing. There are different type of marketing. And a lot these days people are focusing on email marketing, text marketing, video marketing, or direct message, right? So you need to find out exactly what your ideal client is looking for. In that sense, are your ideal client, they don't have a problem with text messaging, or they don't mind you emailing them, or you have clients who they don't like reading their emails, so you will have to use maybe text marketing to reach out to them, or video marketing to reach out to them, or you're going to send postcard to reach out to them. So you need to know exactly what your ideal client is looking for so you can provide that service to them. So please, next time you go somewhere, I want you to make sure you go with your digital card, or also your digital business card or your regular business card. Go out there and sell yourself, promote your business, promote yourself, promote your brand and your product, whether it's physical or services. You need to do so. So I'm waiting to hear exactly what you've done this week. If you did go out there and promote, where did you go? Tell me, share on the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Daphnee Lagredelle. I cannot wait to see you in my next video.